Hey there, Donna Hoffman here, the Interior Design Advocate. It's so good to see you. Like your hair, you're looking good this week for the TIDA Peep question of the week. Every time that we get a wonderful question from one of our viewers, in all earnest, we like to say, hey, should we put that onto our YouTube channel because it's a great teaching tool for all of our viewers. And this question is a great one. And it comes from Annette, and it has to do with facelifting a kitchen without doing a full reno. In fact, Annette says, Donna, help. I'd like to facelift my kitchen. My husband does not want to go full Monty on budget, so we're looking at a facelift. What are the most nominal things that we can do to get the biggest bang for the buck change? Okay, so here's the thing, Annette. When you look at a kitchen reno, you can sneeze and spend 50, 70, 80. I mean, just kitchen renovations are expensive, and the highest cost is always on your kitchen cabinetry. It's expensive goods. They are expensive to ship. They're expensive to install. They're expensive to touch up. It's just a lot of labor and a lot of product. So definitely the cabinetry is where your biggest hit's going to be. And then the second big hit will always be on your countertops, depending upon how much linear footage that you need. So if doing a full reno is out and you're looking for the big bang for the buck changes, I'm sure you've read blogs and you know that you can change out hardware, nothing new there. You could just change your countertops. You can just change your tiled backsplash, nothing new there. But something that I think that gets overlooked a lot, aside from doing any of those things or all of those things, I'll tell you what, Annette, if you just change out your lighting fixtures and your furnishings and your hardware, light fixtures, furnishings, and hardware, you can get a big change in your kitchen in total. The dining table and the side diners. Maybe right now you have things that are all wood. Maybe you want to add some really great looking upholstered side dining chairs to really add some great oomph to your kitchen. If you have a kitchen island or a peninsula, why not really update those stools? If what you have right now is kind of pedestrian looking, why not do something with a color or an interesting texture? Again, could be upholstered or just an interesting shape. And definitely the light fixtures over the island, over your kitchen table. This is the jewelry of the room. My goodness, what an amazing opportunity you have right there to make a big change. Here's what I want you to know, Annette. Just one new element in a room can have a huge impact. So I don't want you to feel overwhelmed that you and the hubs are not only exactly on the same page in terms of how much to spend on this redo, but I promise you that one new element, when wisely chosen, let alone 2 or 3 new elements, furnishings and new lighting and some hardware, that will really bring some big payoff for you. So if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share, and we'll see you in the next TIDA Peep question of the week.